have 5 rounds, we will be doing a 30-second on, 30-second off structure. So we're gonna start it off with 30 seconds of front rack lunges, followed by 30 seconds rest, and then 30 seconds of push presses, and 30 seconds rest. On this structure, you are welcome to use the same weight for both the front rack lunges and the push presses, or if you have variety in your weight choices, you are welcome to go as heavy as you like on either of these movements. All right, and moving on for part B, we have a 15-minute AMRAP today. One round of the AMRAP is the following list: 10 push-up, 15 sit-up, 20 squat, 20 push-up, 30 sit-up, 40 squat, 30 push-up, 45 sit-up, 60 squat. That repetition list equals 1 round. So if you finish that list and you're still within your 15-minute clock, you're gonna start back at the beginning with the 10 push-ups. All right, everybody, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you do. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'll take you through another warm-up. To start it off, we have 50 jumping jacks, followed by 20 lunges total, and then another set of 50 jumping jacks, just to get that heart rate going, get the blood flowing. All right, from there we're gonna do some stretching. We're gonna start it off with a couch stretch, trying to open up the hips, stretch out those quads a little bit. Then we'll flip it over, get into a figure 4, and trying to open up those hips. From there, we're gonna do a wall down dog, trying to loosen up our spine, stretch out the upper back a little bit. And our final stretch will be a calf stretch, so getting nice and close to an object, stretching out our calves. All right, after that mobility, we're gonna do 3 rounds of a series of movements. We have 10 reps of each. We're gonna start off with push-ups, and we'll stand up, grab a kettlebell, and do 10 kettlebell swings. From there, we're gonna hinge down, get 10 deadlifts, and our final movement will be 10 thrusters. All right, so that list 3 times. Get after it.